NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes, and the universe is new, more mysterious, more beautiful than humanity's dreams. And all these little dots are stars?
All these little dots are galaxies, some of which are bigger than our own.
Breaking news. We may have just found potential evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth.
This is a huge discovery, and we think that it's a huge discovery. And that's the most exciting piece of this telescope, of this remarkable instrument we put in space, is finding things that we didn't expect, that we can't explain, because that means that we have to revise our understanding of the universe.
Well, JWST is so phenomenal that if you spend enough time, you could probably find any galaxy that ever formed in the universe. It's really that powerful.
Hi, space swashbucklers, and welcome to another interstellar excursion through the vast and mysterious ranges of the universe. Today, we're plunging into some of the strangest, mind-bending, and most terrifying planets researchers have ever discovered. These are not just worlds. They're mysteries that defy what we thought we knew about planetary science. Hang on tight, because this exploration is about to get exciting and intense as we unravel the secrets of alien worlds. J1407b. The Super Saturn. Let's start with a planet that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Meet J1407b, an apparently random mix of letters and numbers that names one of the most spectacular exoplanets astronomers have stumbled upon. Nicknamed the Super Saturn, this giant has a ring system that makes Saturn's rings look like small loops. Imagine this: 37 massive rings stretching across 30 million miles. That's roughly 200 times the distance between Earth and the Moon. If J1407b were part of our solar system, its rings would be visible from Earth, glowing magnificently in our night sky. But that's not all. J1407b is a gas giant far larger than any of the planets in our solar system. Its mass and density are staggering, and if you attempted to land on it, you wouldn't find solid ground beneath you. Instead, you'd plummet straight through its gas layers, deeper and deeper, until the immense pressure compressed you to a size that's hard to even imagine. Researchers speculate that this pressure could shrink a human down to the size of a peanut. Yes, you read that right. What's more, J1407b's ring system is extraordinary. Beyond its sheer size, scientists believe that gaps in the rings indicate the presence of moons, much like how Saturn's rings have gaps caused by its own moons. In short, J1407b isn't just another gas giant. It's an entire mini-system of its own, captivating astronomers with every new discovery. GJ581c. A world of fire and ice. But it's not just J1407b that blows our minds. The universe has far more extreme and bizarre planets waiting to be explored. Take GJ581c, for example, a world that might sound familiar. It's often discussed in relation to the possibility of alien life. Located around 20 light-years from us, 120 trillion miles, GJ581c exists in the habitable zone of its star system, a region where scientists believe conditions could support life. However, there's a twist. GJ581c is tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet constantly faces its star while the other side remains in eternal darkness. This creates two extreme environments. The day side reaches temperatures so hot they could vaporize a human in seconds. The night side is so cold it would freeze anything solid. But here's where it gets fascinating. There exists a narrow twilight zone where temperatures might be mild enough to potentially support life. This thin, habitable strip represents one of the most alien and extreme climates in the universe. A delicate line where fire meets ice, and only a small area between offers any hope for life as we know it. This remarkable world challenges our perception of habitability. On GJ581c, you either boil or freeze, with only a sliver of space in between offering a friendly environment, a phenomenon both terrifying and intriguing. KOI1431b. The Planet of Fire. Next on our tour is KOI1431b, a planet so extreme it's often described as hellish. Found a staggering 490 light-years from Earth, KOI1431b is blistering hot, with daytime temperatures soaring to around 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit 2,700 degrees Celsius. This gas giant is twice the size of Jupiter, making it not only enormous but also incredibly dense and scorching. In fact, KOI 1431b's atmosphere is hotter than molten lava on Earth, which melts at approximately 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit 1,200 degrees Celsius. KOI 1431b's heat is comparable to the exhaust of a rocket engine. A planet like this is utterly hostile to life in any form we know, yet its existence fascinates astronomers as it pushes the boundaries of our understanding of planetary formation and behavior. It's the ultimate nightmare landscape, redefining what we consider extreme. GJ 1214b. The Water World. Next, we dive into the depths of GJ 1214b, an exoplanet discovered in 2009 that quickly captured the scientific community's interest. This super-Earth, 2.7 times the size of our planet, is unique for its composition. It's a water world, with much of its mass believed to consist of water surrounded by a thick, hot atmosphere. The high temperatures on GJ 1214b, around 440 degrees Fahrenheit 230 degrees Celsius, create something extraordinary. Under the intense heat and pressure, the water on this planet isn't like any we've seen on Earth. Instead, it exists in exotic forms like superfluid water and hot ice. These are materials that only form under extreme conditions. Superfluid water acts as a kind of frictionless liquid. Hot ice remains solid even at boiling temperatures. Imagine stepping into a world with an atmosphere thick with steam and bizarre materials never seen on Earth. This place wouldn't just feel unfamiliar, it would feel entirely alien. GJ 436b Ice on Fire. Few planets are as mind-bending as GJ 436b, located about 30 light-years away in the Leo constellation. This planet is an odd mix of hot and cold. GJ 436b is covered in ice, but this ice is burning at a scorching 822 degrees Fahrenheit 430 degrees Celsius. It sounds impossible, but it's real, thanks to the planet's incredible gravitational forces. Here's how it works. GJ 436b's gravity compresses its water ice so tightly that it remains solid, even under extreme heat. This phenomenon, known as hot ice, is one of the rarest states of matter in the universe. Wasp 12b. The planet that's being consumed. Finally, meet Wasp 12b, a planet so close to its star that it's literally being devoured. Orbiting its star in just 1.1 Earth days, Wasp 12b experiences intense tidal forces that stretch it into an egg-like shape while gradually tearing it apart. Scientists predict this planet will eventually be swallowed by its star entirely, a cosmic reminder of how extreme and violent our universe can be. Could you visit it and bring back a couple of trinkets? Wasp 12b. The Dull World. Greetings to Wasp 12b, one of the haziest planets known to science. This gas monster, 2 times the size of Jupiter, retains around 94% of all light that hits it, rendering it nearly completely dark. This unusual quality gives Wasp 12b a shocking, practically heavenly appearance, like a black hole drifting in space. The atmosphere of Wasp 12b reaches searing temperatures of 4,600 degrees Fahrenheit 2,500 degrees Celsius due to its proximity to its star. The planet is tidally locked, meaning one side continuously faces its star, bathed in unending sunlight, while the other remains perpetually in darkness. To add to its peculiarities, Wasp 12b is slowly being destroyed by its star. The planet's atmosphere is being sucked away, creating a trailing tail that stretches behind it, much like a comet. In many ways, this world is a dying planet, gradually losing its mass as it spirals closer to its ultimate demise. PSRB 1620-26b. The Old Planet. At last, we arrive at PSRB 1620-26b, otherwise known as Methuselah. Found 12,400 light-years away, this planet holds the title of the oldest known planet in the universe, with an age of around 13 billion years. Just a billion years after the Big Bang. This ancient world orbits a binary star system that includes a pulsar and a white dwarf, 2 stars that burned out long ago. Despite the harsh environment, this planet has somehow managed to survive for billions of years, bearing silent witness to the birth and evolution of the universe. PSRB 1620-26b is a testament to the resilience of planets and serves as a reminder of how vast and old our universe truly is. Wasp 76b. The hot Jupiter with metal rain. Next, we explore Wasp 76b, a gas giant located around 640 light-years from Earth. This planet orbits extremely close to its star, making it one of the hottest planets ever discovered. Temperatures on its day side reach an astonishing 4,350 degrees Fahrenheit 2,400 degrees Celsius, hot enough to vaporize metals. What makes Wasp 76b truly extraordinary is its phenomenon of metal rain. On the day side, metals such as iron and magnesium vaporize due to the intense heat. As the winds carry this vapor to the cooler night side, it condenses into liquid metal, falling as rain. This bizarre weather system, combined with a constant battle between scorching heat and freezing darkness, creates one of the most extreme environments ever discovered. Trace 2b. The darkest planet. Now we turn to Trace 2b, also known as the Dark Planet. Located around 750 light-years away in the constellation Lyra, this gas giant absorbs almost all the light that hits it, 98% to be precise, making it darker than coal or black acrylic paint. Its atmosphere, likely filled with vaporized sodium and potassium, contributes to its extreme darkness. Despite being so dark, Trace 2b is incredibly hot, with temperatures exceeding 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit 1,000 degrees Celsius. This paradoxical combination of intense heat and absence of light makes it one of the most mysterious places in the universe. HD 189733b. The windy world of blue clouds. Imagine a planet where winds blow at over 5,000 miles per hour, 8,000 kilometers per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. Welcome to HD 189733b, an exoplanet located about 63 light-years away. This hot Jupiter boasts a violent climate, with clouds made of molten glass whipped around by ferocious winds. The planet's vivid blue color, likely caused by the scattering of light by particles in its atmosphere, gives it an eerily beautiful yet menacing appearance. HD 189733b's extreme conditions make it a fascinating subject for scientists studying exoplanetary atmospheres under intense pressures and temperatures. 55 Cancri E, the Diamond Planet. Next, we visit 55 Cancri E, an exoplanet located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer. This rocky planet, twice the size of Earth, is often referred to as the Diamond Planet because its interior is believed to contain a high amount of carbon, which may exist as diamond. Temperatures on 55 Cancri E can reach up to 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit 2,200 degrees Celsius, and the immense pressure could crystallize carbon into diamonds. While purely theoretical, the idea of a planet made of precious stones captures the imagination and demonstrates how elements behave in extreme conditions. Kepler 16b. The Tatooine-like planet. Fans of Star Wars will be excited to learn about Kepler 16b, an exoplanet that orbits 2 stars, much like Tatooine. Located about 200 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus, this gas giant resides in the habitable zone of its binary star system. Kepler 16b experiences 2 suns in its sky, creating a unique and dramatic environment. Although cold by most standards, the dual sunlight would create a perpetual twilight, reminiscent of science fiction landscapes. Chess 1140b. The super-Earth with a thin atmosphere. Finally, we visit LHS 1140b, a super-Earth located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Cetus. Approximately 1.4 times the size of Earth, this rocky planet lies in its star's habitable zone, where liquid water might exist. Though it has a thin atmosphere compared to Earth's, its size and location make it one of the most promising candidates for finding signs of life beyond our planet. Its composition suggests a rocky surface, possibly similar to early Earth, making it a key target in the search for extraterrestrial life. These extraordinary planets are just a small sample of the countless oddities scattered throughout our universe. Each challenges our understanding of what is possible, reminding us how much we still have to learn. Who knows what other mysteries await as we continue to explore the stars?